If you're a thyroid patient online, you can't avoid the buzz about celery juice. There are claims everywhere, in books, articles, and social media, that celery juice can miraculously treat or even cure an underactive thyroid. How did this craze get started, and is there any truth to it? Let's take a look. Anthony William, known internationally as the medical medium, started the controversial celery juice craze by claiming that drinking fresh celery juice every day can help restore the health of people with chronic illnesses or diseases, including hypothyroidism. Keep in mind that the medical medium has no medical or nutritional background and claims to receive what he calls extraordinarily accurate health information from a spirit. Anthony Williams' claims are largely unconfirmed by medical or scientific research. There is one study that celery juice proponents often quote. The study, published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine, described a 36-year-old patient who developed symptoms of hyperthyroidism after taking celery extracts for weight loss. The study concluded that her use of celery extracts was responsible for her condition. However, researchers couldn't determine how the celery or its compounds stimulate the thyroid. And you need to know that this study was talking about celery extract, not celery juice. So, can celery juice cure hypothyroidism? No. Celery juice is not a proven, recognized, or approved treatment for hypothyroidism. No scientific study or research shows that celery juice can treat or resolve hypothyroidism. Treating hypothyroidism requires you replace the missing thyroid hormones with thyroid hormone replacement medication. Celery may not be a thyroid cure-all, but it does have many genuine health benefits. Celery has anti-inflammatory properties. Celery is mostly water, so it helps with hydration. It supports gut health, and even has probiotic properties. And celery is rich in fiber, which hypothyroid patients need to avoid constipation. Remember that wellness trends and influencers make it tempting to jump on the bandwagon. But one-size-fits-all solutions rarely work. And when you're hypothyroid and you need thyroid hormone medication, replacing it with celery juice could even be life-threatening. No food, including celery, can replace missing thyroid hormone, which the body requires for essential functions. By all means, eat celery, and drink celery juice if you like it. But if you want to ramp up your thyroid health, focus on a balanced diet and thyroid-healthy lifestyle. Eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, complex carbohydrates, gluten-free grains, healthy fats, fermented foods, herbs, and spices. Work with your healthcare provider to supplement when necessary. Focus on getting enough quality sleep. Find ways to reduce and manage stress, and reduce symptoms of overwhelm. Surround yourself with people who are supportive, loving, and compassionate. Incorporate movement into your daily routine, even something as simple as a daily walk. Be in contact with nature every day. These practices will help you to support your overall health and, in tandem, help you live well with thyroid disease. This video has been brought to you by Paloma Health, the nation's leading medical practice dedicated to hypothyroidism care. Learn more at www.palomahealth.com.